In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a tag on GitHub. If you're new to this, don't worry. We're going step by step to make the process as smooth as possible. Plus, I'll throw in a few tips to help you avoid common pitfalls. So, let's dive right in. First things first, fire up your preferred web browser. Maybe you're using Chrome or Firefox, or perhaps even Safari. Whatever works best for you, open it up and type GitHub in your search bar, then hit Enter. Your goal here is to navigate to the GitHub website. Once the site loads, if you already have an account, you can log in using your credentials. Otherwise, you'll need to sign up for a new account. It's fairly straightforward. Just follow the prompts on the screen and you'll be logged into GitHub in no time. Now, for those of you who are already logged in, the next step is to open up your GitHub repository. This is the place where all your code lives, and in just a moment, you'll be adding a tag to your existing project here. So, navigate to the specific repository you're interested in tagging. Once you're in your repository, look towards the top of the page for the Releases tab. It's situated among other tabs like Code and Issues. Click on that Releases tab to proceed. On the next page, you'll want to look for either the Draft a New Release or Create a New Release button. They both serve the same purpose, so go ahead and give it a click. This is where things start getting a bit more exciting, because this page is where you'll create your new tag. You'll see a section titled Choose a Tag with a drop-down menu. In that drop-down, type the name of the tag you want. A typical format might be something like v1.0.0, but feel free to use any convention that suits your project best. After typing in your chosen tag name, click Create New Tag. This action will create the tag for your project's release version. Now, let's decide what this tag should be associated with by choosing the branch or a specific commit. This step ensures that your tag points exactly to where you want it within your repository's history. Whether it's the main branch or that crucial commit from 3 days ago, make your selection carefully. Once you're all set and everything looks good to go, the final step is clicking Publish Release. By doing this, you're not only creating a new tag, but also officially releasing it as part of your project's documentation. It's a neat way to track changes and updates as your project evolves. And there you have it. You've just set up a GitHub tag. This method allows others to easily reference specific versions of your project, making collaboration and version control much simpler and more efficient. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope you found these steps helpful. Until next time.